Right, bushwhackers, I'm heading out to the mangroves this morning with my crab pot and a mullet Dylan caught at the creek for me yesterday to use as bait.
Got him.
Hey. Come on, Dylan. Land this fish. I need it for bait. Sweet.
And so I'll show you how to catch mud crabs using pots, and if I get one, I'll show you how to cook them up over the fire. Let's do this. So we'll pop all 4 of these pipe thingies up, chuck the bait in a little net thingy, and then whack in a rock or water bottle or something to keep it down when the tide comes up. And so, how this works is when the water's risen, and this is completely underwater, the mud crabs come out from the mud, and they'll be smelling the mullet, and they'll be trying to find a way in, and they'll walk up the net here and go through, pop down, and they won't be able to come out. So hopefully I catch a mud crab. Will I be using this damn lemon on a mud crab later this afternoon at the kitchen? Let's find out. There it is there. Tide's come down. Is there any mud crabs? There's a mud crab. Wow! 2 mud crabs! I'll be using 2 damn lemons! Yeah! Okay. How do I get them out? This is the annoying part about catching crabs in pots. You just can never get them out. Oh yes, whoa, he's out. Here he comes. Come mate. There we go, he's out. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna release you, okay? You're too small. Okay, so I'm gonna release this fella and keep the bigger one that's in the pot. Alright, come on, buddy. Right where I caught you. You can dig yourself in the mud and then fight on another day. But yeah, this one, he's gonna be tasty with a damn lemon, that's for sure. Alright, let's take it home. I'm actually gonna do it. Whoa, good. Whoa. Ah. Why are there so much mozzies? So much mozzies. They're killing me. Man, I'm retarded. Ah. Ah. Lucky I know what I'm doing. So here he is. So I've just taken him out of the freezer. He was in there for about an hour, and hopefully now, since he's been in the freezer for a while, he just won't feel anything when he gets chucked into the fire. So I'm gonna prepare this bad boy and cook him. So we'll get this water boiling before we put the crab in. Alright, is the water ready? Yes it is, look at that, bubbling. Now how do we get it out? Bloody hell, actually no, I'm not going to get it out. I'm going to crack open the crab and just chuck it in, straight like that. So we'll chuck them in, like that, and then we'll chuck in all these. Oh, yum. One more leg. And then, I think we put the lid on. Oh man, that's hot. There's a bloody leaf in there. there we go. So, yeah, 10 minutes, I reckon. Should be done. Oh, yeah. This is gonna end badly, I can tell. I actually didn't hurt myself. Wow. It's been about 10 minutes and I think it's ready. Let's have a check. Oh. Yum. Smell that. Holy crap, that's good. That is really, really good. I'm getting that out right now. Alrighty. Here we go. Oh man. Oh man, the smells good. Okay. Wow. Look at that color. Oh man, I just had a secret little taste. Oh yeah. Oh. Look at that. That is juicy. Oh, bastard. Oh, there we go. Damn lemon. Oh. Chuck on some spice. Here we go. First bite. Now that is just out of this world. It's really good. It's sizzling. Here we go. Oh, that's the crab butter, and these are the dead man's fingers. You do not want to eat those. So anyway, I'm just gonna keep eating this and get to bed, and yeah, I'll wake up tomorrow morning and I'll try to catch something else to cook up. Mud crab, catch and cook.